the guys who are watching the big stocks, they should know who moved this stock. Is it an insider selling millions of shares, or is it a new investor who bought a big chunk from the public? He buys a lot because he knows something about the company, or it is just a speculation. Okay? But penny stocks, I will tell you something. In order to describe these stocks, because a lot of people, they don't differentiate between these two kinds of penny stocks I'm telling you. Now, hello Jesse Smith, hello Joe. Guys, I will answer all your questions. So after 1 hour, after I finish my description, and then I will come you back. Okay? So stay tuned. Be patient, guys. So, as I told you, these penny stocks, NASA, thank you very much for coming. These penny stocks, we say $5 and under. It could be 2, it could be 4, it could be 1, it could be 50 cents, could be 5 cents. Okay? And since we are speaking about manipulation, most of these stocks, most of them, you find them IPOs. IPOs, it means they just begin with 50 cents, $1, $2. It's not a big deal. And you find them, sometimes they have no volume. Because when we, in our trading portfolio that we have in my subscription, we have a lot of stocks like this. We have big one, we have small one, but the way I trade for a trend. Stocks that have volume, these stocks are known. IPOs are not IPOs. But the other ones, I showed in my search, I showed this kind of stocks, and they say do not trade this kind of stocks, because these stocks can be manipulated, and you see manipulation. I showed the manipulation. For example, today there is no volume. The stock is $5. Okay? Tomorrow, either it goes up to from $1, for example, or let's say it is $2. Tomorrow, it goes to $4 without any reason. The other day, it will go down 50% or 70% or 80%. So you understand the game? It means from where these people come. If the stock, you see it, there is no volume. How come the next day, traders, they come, they know about the stock? It means that this is manipulated. There is a scam going on in this stock. And most of these people, they do one scam and they forgot about the stock. They will go to another stock that has no scams before. I can show you a lot of these stocks that goes and flies like this up, they fly down. Some people, they can make a little money, some money. Some one time they lose all their money. Okay? So it's not a regular trading that I'm speaking about. So these kind of penny stocks are manipulated. They are related to scams. They can go into a very high percentage. But for me, since I don't follow these stocks, because you need, if you want just to know them without anything, you should scan in the morning at 9:30 for this kind of stocks by volume, because the volume and the price, most of the time they go together. In the morning, you see a stock that has 10,000 volume a day, and at 9:30 in the morning, you see it goes to 1 million. Just it opens it up to 1 million. It means there is something. And this has nothing to do with fundamentals. It means it has nothing to do with the company earning news or something. No, because sometimes you find manipulation occurs many times. Okay? Now, let's go now to the second penny stock. These penny stocks, this kind that I am following and that I show in my subscription portfolio, we have a stock now that it is 210%. Okay? 210%. It means if you put $2,000, you get 4,000 profits. 4,100 on this Friday. Now, I show it to them, this stock. We say we follow this stock. It goes up. It makes the 100 in a few days. It goes down a little bit. I sold some shares. Then it goes up more and more. And tomorrow, if God wills, I will see. If this stock continues, I will try to see when I exit this stock. If it goes down, I sold all my shares. It's good to get 100% or 200% in the stock. These are the stocks that I am following when the stocks are penny stocks. Because a lot of people, they say to me, oh Karim, we need you to buy different kind of stocks. We see how things work with big stocks, with smaller stocks. Okay? So that's why my portfolio is always a mixture of big stocks. We have stocks that are $800. We have a stock that it is 200. We have 300. We have 100. We have 50. We have 20. We have 4. We have 2. $2. Okay? So it is just to show you that you can make money with high percentage in many kinds of stocks, not just penny stocks. Okay? Now, hello Bassan, thank you very much for coming. So, a high percentage, there are some stocks that, for me, what I like are the stocks that have a trend. Now, when the stock moves very, very fast, it doesn't mean that you should stay 6 months or 5 months or 8 months in order to get 100%. No. For me, I don't see the time. I don't care about the time. I only care when the stock stops giving money, and then when it doesn't give me money, I exit. If it gives me more money, I will buy more sometimes. So you understand? So to get high, how now to get high percentage of stocks? First, to get high percentage of stocks profits, you should follow the trend. This is the most sure way to make money. Now forget about gap ups and gap down and the other stuff, because gap up or gap down, it is because of the earning news, and this it's more gambling than trading. Okay, it's more gambling than trading. So you understand that. Don't tell me, because there is one guy who is telling me, oh, it is because of this, oh, the stock will have a gap down because of the earning, because of the. I say, man, listen. You should not predict the earning news because the news is with the company. So try not to waste your time predicting. If you want to stay and you bear the responsibility of the earning news, if you want to bear and stay, understand that you can make high percentage in one day. Tomorrow you will have a gap up and you will make a lot of money. But understand that if things go wrong, you will have a gap down and you lose a lot of money. So that's it. So it's a matter of risk. It's not a matter of predicting. Thank you, NASA. Okay. It says the stock was 27.24 on March 20. Now it is 171. Wow. It looks like 600%. Yes. And this is not a penny stock. It's only $24. NASA, we will check all these when I finish my description, and then we can go and explain. Okay. Now, to continue my description, is that the best way to make money with high percentage is when there is a trend. Now the trend, understand that no one knows how long it will be and how much you get. For me, when I buy a stock, I don't care how much it will give me because I don't know. So how you know how much in terms of percentage and in terms of time? No one knows. A stock in 1 week, it can double. Okay? It can double in 1 week. But you find another stock, the same price, it doubled in 6 months. But both ways, it's good that you get this 100%. So stop thinking, stop focusing on the percentage and on time. These are two things that you should not think about because you can't control. Okay? Now, what is the most important thing you can do? What is it? You should have skills to select the best stocks and to manage them well. Another skill is to manage the stock well. 2 skills that you need. So this you can control because the more you trade, the more you see stocks, the more you know better. That's why you need many years to stay in trading. You don't trade few months or 1 year and then you quit and you say, oh, it's all Wall Street guys, they stole our money, it's Illuminati, it is globalization, it is the 10 families rich in the world, they take all our money. You know, they begin, when they lose money, they don't know how to get money from the market. They come and they complain. They complain because they don't know how to trade. But other people's, they trade, they make money, and they are happy. So the difference between them, some knows, some they don't know. That's it. It's business. It's business. You see 2 restaurants. One, you see a lot of people, they come, they have a lot of customers, they do a lot of big business, and the others, they don't. Okay? So it's the expertise, it's the know-how. The know-how is something that you should it's skills. You should learn these skills. They don't come just like this.